Bald eagle?
Yeah.
Just flew right over here. Hook, he swam into the hook. He didn't really bite. Look at that. We are at Lake Guntersville State Park in Alabama. Just got here a little while ago, actually about an hour or so ago. And we decided to get it all already halfway set up. And then Alabama football came on. If you know anything about the state of Alabama, typically when college football comes on, everything grinds to a halt. So we watched for a while. Looks like we got this game under control. And now we're gonna walk to the store, check out the area. And we done something we usually don't do. We bought Pablo and Bruno. Oh yeah, we're gonna walk to the campground store, pick up some ice. We didn't bring the ice maker. Just thought we would take it easy and hang out for the weekend.
In 1974, Lake Guntersville was opened as a recreational park by the state of Alabama. It is a 6,000-acre park located in northeast Alabama along the Tennessee River. It is known for its prized largemouth bass fishing and other abundant wildlife, to include bald eagles.
This is our first time coming to this state park. We heard about it, just never got a chance to do this. About 2 hours away from the house, so not very far, short trip. Good to get back into it. Of course, we've been doing everything except camping for the last month almost. So yeah, we look forward to this. I understand there's some pretty decent fishing here too, so we're gonna check that out.
Tom, he is not. He's hard to walk.
Come on. Hey, so hey.
Thank you.
Hey, howdy. Thank you, you too. Pablo gets so excited when he just walking around, seeing other dogs. It is outrageous. Kind of keep him on a short leash. Spot 43B. So pretty much one row away from the store. So it's pretty nice and convenient. They didn't have any quarter-size spots available, leg-size spots available, because we kind of decided to go at the last minute. So, and it's a holiday weekend, so. But we're very close. We're about 2 rows away from the water. So. All right, lots of ice machines. There's a wood also if you need to buy wood. We're gonna check out the lake, see what the lake's got to offer. Looks pretty good out there from what we can see so far. We're gonna get a little closer. This is the dog park area. I think they might enjoy this a little bit. They've been in the RV for a couple of hours. So let's see how they react here. Got some friends there, huh? Got some friends? See some doggies?
Good boy. You've been so good.
Got a pretty cool beach area here. Look at that up there on the hill. Wow, I don't know what that is, but that's great. They got an overlook right here. Great look at the beach all the way across the lake. Look at that. That's nice. Yep, this looks like one of the bathhouses. We don't use those, but this one is pretty good size. So there's some of the tent camping setups over there as well. So I think that's section what, A? I lose track. So I think that's section A of the camp. I think it's a B, C, D, E, and a F section. All right, so it is the next morning and everything is nice and quiet. This is my normal time to do the morning walk of the park, see what it's all about. So we'll check it out. Last night we pretty much watched the game and then kind of dozed off. We actually sat outside for a little while, but it was so dark I couldn't record. But yeah, right after that we kind of cleaned up and went to bed. It's a really peaceful night's sleep actually too. I love a place where I can get a good night's sleep. There's a deer over here, look at this. We were told there's a lot of deer here. We believe it now. Seen a few already. One of the other things I'll tell you about is the road coming in here is extremely narrow and windy. Some of it's almost semi-finished. So when you do come, don't expect a perfect road all the way in. They do have some repairs in the new road area that they constructed, but it is a little bit scary coming down the hills and winding. So somebody had warned us about it, but for some reason I kind of didn't quite believe it would be that bad, but it was. But once you get here, it's great. So it's worth it once you do it. Like they brought in sand here just near the shoreline in one area, and I can see they got boundaries out here so you don't swim out too far. There's a few folks fishing over here already, probably trying to catch it while it's nice and cool out. The weather is really nice. It's actually really pleasant out here. Normally in the summer in Alabama it can get awfully hot and humid, but it's kind of crisp this morning, which is nice. Beautiful. We may come back out here and do a little fishing later. I actually got to check the status of our fishing licenses. We have so many licenses in so many states, so you have to keep up with it, and it's hard to remember. All right, so I'm gonna head back, get the dogs taken care of, and then see what we're going to get into for the day. To come back and go fishing while Wanda and the pups hang out in the RV. See if I get lucky and catch a couple of those ones I saw jumping this morning. Tackle box. It's got a little red bead right here that slides, a little hook in it. No weight because I've been seeing them bite off the top. It's got a little bit of a glitter to it, so I'm hoping the sun might catch that and get something to come up and go for it. Let's see. guess I've been fishing for close to an hour now. I lost track of time. I didn't really look at my watch, clock, but probably time to switch things up. All right, so we didn't catch any fish, but it's lunchtime, so I decided to break out the Blackstone. See how that works. I actually used it once before, but at home. So this is actually the first time I got a chance to use this camping. And you remember I got this back during Father's Day. So kind of excited to use this and see how it's going. Got some potatoes, vegetables here with the garlic, herb on them, and of course some burgers over here. All right, burgers are pretty much ready. Everything else has come off. Just need to toast this bread and we should be good to go.
My mother was always very familiar.
All right, so I'm gonna try to go to the store here, see if I can get some live bait. I think we'll go fishing a little bit. I think that's what we need to catch these little rascals. So, you okay? Do you have live bait? Yeah. Okay. Oh, I see him back here. Thank you. Worms, red worms and night crawlers. But I just found out they have a fishing center that's about 3 miles up the road that's got crickets, minnows, and everything. So if we don't have any luck with this, maybe tomorrow try it again. We'll go get some more bait, different type. Try to switch to live bait. I got at least my first hit. Probably was a small one, but at least it was a hit. I'm fishing on the bottom, so there's all you have to watch for is the line to tighten up usually. Just check it and see if they got my bait this time. I'll put just this little bit back on there, try to bury a hook in it. And let's see if we can get it back out there and catch one. There's a nice little boat going out right there. Got the fenders and everything. That's what you need to go fishing with. See y'all later. Oh, there is another one. Too small again. Apparently I have found a home with all the smallest fish in Lake Guntersville. One might be a tiny bit bigger than the other one, but not much. Just gotta get him in here. Oh, he is bigger. Ouch. Stop flopping around. Well, at least they're getting bigger. Okay, so that's halfway decent size for well, I've been out here for a while, no more luck. So, I think I'll wrap it up for today.
Raheem Mostert in the perimeter game. What we love about Raheem is he...
I just realized I didn't do my normal tour of the area, so I thought I'd go ahead and do that. It's Lake Guntersville in Alabama. It's a state park. Let me show you that. It's a pretty nice layout. We are right here at B43, so it's not a long distance to get to the lake and the fishing piers and boat launches and everything like that. So that is pretty convenient. Our first time coming here, and largely we just relaxed this time because I feel like we needed a vacation from the vacation. But anyway, I'll show you the area. All right, so we do have just a little area here for a fire, and then there is a pit as well. We didn't use that, we used our own. The picnic table, of course, right? And Gertie is right over here. and pretty wide space, pull through, so we didn't have to back in. I'll kind of pull back and give you a view of that. All right, so this is our hookups. We got full hookup here. We're in spot B43, like I said. We do have sewer. We've got water going in. And then we've got power right here. This is a 30 amp spot. Normally we hook up to a 50 amp spot, but there's no problem. We can run everything on 30 amps in this case. We had no problem with both air conditions running, even microwave, everything. So lights, there was no problem in this case. So that's really good. Oh, there's something on the hill up there. I do not know what that is. I have to try to look on the map and figure it out. But it's way up there at the top of the hill up there. I probably could have rode the bike up here. There's another deer. Look at that. Just right there. You see it far off there in the clearing. Seems right down here. There's so many deer here. It's amazing. They told us that was the case. Okay, so that's a volleyball net right there. Looks like they got lights too. I think this is a splash pad. Okay. And it looks like these buckets probably dump on your head. Okay, so this is interesting. I think this is a little campfire area as well. So a little bonfire area here. So that's cool, campfire area. And there's the seating arrangement. And this is the outdoor classroom area is what they call this. Take a look here. That's the volleyball court over there. Got a tennis court here and basketball court right over here. Oh, the Eagles flew.
Not 15 minutes ago, the other one went up yonder and lit in this tree.
Bald eagle?
Yeah.
Just flew right over here?
Yeah.
Just across this path here?
Yep, they sure did.
Wow. That would have been awesome to see. Two of them?
Yep.
Oh, that would have been awesome. Ooh.
This morning, that's the first time we've actually seen two together.
Okay. What is this place up here? Do you know?
Oh, yeah, that's the lodge up there.
Oh, okay. That's part of the state park?
Yeah.
Okay.
State park.
Okay. That makes sense. We
Yeah,
didn't
me
get
and
to
my
see-
wife used to stay up there
Uh-huh.
about one weekend out of every 3 months, so the price got so ridiculous.
Okay. How much does it cost to go up there?
It's about $175, $80 a night now.
Ooh.
When we first started staying up there,
Yeah.
it was $69.
Wow. I'm going to have to research and see what's up there for 170 bucks.
Yeah.
It's got to be pretty nice for me to get up there for that price.
It's nice.
It is
but
nice?
It ain't that nice.
Okay. We'll check it out. That's all right. I like it. That is Bentley, and I think he has something that's gotten lost around these parts occasionally. You know, just saying hi to people. I think he's made it an art. He'll bring it back. I hope so. Well, that just about concludes our tour. Guess we'll get back. Look like some rain might be coming in, so we might pack up before it gets too wet. Good morning. See you later.
Going this way or that way? That way? Yeah. All right, you better tell her good morning.
Good morning. How are you this morning? Good.
Alrighty, we are just about packed up here. Just gave the dogs a bath. Got just about everything unhooked. The last thing to do is to put the awning up. We have a manual awning, so it takes a little bit to do it, but it's not too bad. So let me get that out the way.
All we had to do is hustle. All we had to do is grind. Now they on their own. All they gotta do is shine. For more than 30 years. Now I feel recline. Oh, we on the road. It's just me and mine.